You broke the television. But on a spite, me broke the television. Me licking in your mouth. Do that. You cannot do that. Yeah, so me coming. What's up, guys? What's poppin'? What's not stopping? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, guys, we're gonna make him flip up. I'm gonna do the broken TV prank on our guys. So before you watch the video, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, follow me on my Instagram at I am Shawna with 2 S. Link's gonna be down in the description and also on the screen, guys. So me, I gotta go. I'm gonna show you everything what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go up on YouTube, find the broken TV meme something, and put it on that area, and then I'm gonna make sure I hide the remote. I'm gonna hide the remote so she can't change it now, so it gonna really look like say yo, I shake up our TV and all them something there, guys. So if you think that video is a banger, spam up Team Shawna down in the comments. And if you're not Team Kim, me, I'm not gonna have problem. Me, I'm not gonna have problem. Anyways, guys, so I'm gonna show you how me I do all of that. So let's get it. Yeah, guys, go over to DJ and Cham channel, guys. Hit the subscribe button, guys. Get them to 1,000 subscribers. I must wheel real quick, guys. So smash up them subscribe button and tell them say hashtag Team Shawna sending them. Go over to this Kim and subscribe to come. I know she probably hate me right now, but me did have to do it, guys. So me get talking. Yeah, guys. So hold on, I don't want to get copyrighted anymore. How is mute button there? Mute. Come on for that. Come on for Netflix. I want to make sure I want to see everything on me I do. Come on for Netflix completely. Go on YouTube. Yeah, guys. So hold on. I'm gonna type in broken TV. Broken TV screen effect, guys. One bother when if one want add. Yes, sir. I'll make sure I go pause it too. I'm going to take off the mute something. Alright, take off the mute. Pause. Good. Boom! Yeah, guys, so I'm in her living room right now with DJ and Cham. Make sure you go back to DJ and Cham and subscribe to their channel and tell them say Team Shawna sending the guys and them help me with a prank and they help me or something. So right now I hide the remote in our drawer. I'm sure. Make sure I had my phone and my laptop in my phone so she not broke button on for me, guys. So make sure you spam up the subscribe button, guys. Follow me on my Instagram because I don't know the prank them I come back to back to back. Bang a prank because say yeah, guys, Kim wants to start war, so I prank war time now. But no, I don't even know how to call her and start it. Oh my God. Me play with that ball. I'm gonna say me a play brand. I'm gonna say me a play with that ball, yeah, and chew up here and drop in the teeth. Wally.
Eh?
For Wally.
Oh, you can actually go to what the place is and I'm see actually.
What? Stop now. Well, we can play cricket later with this one. I don't know. Bombard! Kim I never spied.
Shawna. Lodge.
Kim I play, I did not play the ball, I did not show up because you see me that try to put it out that back. And me a show up and then I drop it on TV.
You gonna like say inside the screen working like
Yeah. So I look at inside screen.
I'm gonna say I can watch TV look for more.
I want everyone to tell me I can watch it over here.
Kim I never spied. We just not show up the ball, Kim, because we say we're going to play cricket later and we show up the ball and then drop it on TV.
Shawna.
I'm not spied, Kim.
Thank you.
Me just tell Shawna say you free to come in now.
So when I go to kiss them, I'm still gonna phone when I want to later.
DJ, I know say Jeffrey by TV.
Kim I never spied.
You know the show.
Me a tell her say I throw me a throw the ball.
Shawna, how you feel throw a ball in your so?
So don't play me and play with the ball, Kim. We are going so far. Me a throw up the ball. So me a feed the ball top and then the ball drop right in my center.
Oh, you feel throw the ball after TV, Shawna?
I'm not after
You love
TV,
videos like
Kim.
you idiot too much.
Me just throw up the ball and catch me and catch
Look, it's
it.
part of TV there. On your feet throw ball there so. The damn thing is a baseball, you idiot.
Kim, me never know
You go buy it back when you get your money, you know. You go buy it back.
So give me more
Kim, me cannot buy it back. Come on.
All this supposed to fix, look there.
You can't buy
And
me
if I didn't me buy
first.
it, it would have alright. Me tell her, say Jeffrey buy the TV for me.
I'm not spicy. I'm
Me
not
not
like
business.
this.
You need to think. You're a big girl. What the backside you feel? Look at how tough the ball is.
Kim,
Where you even find the ball? Where did you find the ball?
Kim,
Why you turn up yourself, lick up in it? God know me not feel better.
Shawna like me deep is spy.
Me not business where you do it for. You broke the television.
But I'm not spy. Me broke the television.
Me lick him in a man and then him don't patronize me.
Sorry. But Kim, me just a play with the ball and me a throw.
And then you're gonna be a playful like you think of some joke. You're gonna buy it back, you know?
Me can't buy it
A
back.
lie you tell. If I the last thing you do, you're gonna buy back the TV.
So give me
And
I
you're
know
gonna
about
buy
the
back
things
before
to
Jeffrey
do.
come. Me no business.
Jeffrey come tomorrow.
You're gonna buy back the TV.
But
See, I drop out of my hand. Just like I drop out of DJ.
Shawna, what about the hotel night TV?
Come me and throw it up so.
she throw up in it, yeah.
Me do like throw and I catch and it's something drop.
No, it's not queer.
And Kim a go and
You're
like
gonna
say,
thump you on your neck. You better buy it back.
for what?
You see the money you get today, you better buy it back, you know? You better buy it back. You buy it right down at the store, cross the road from court,
How
and
much
that's
for?
what come in your yard.
How much for Kim?
Where you put me
A
up
40 grand feet.
So
January.
you no can't fix Kim where you
Oh, you
going
gonna fix this year? Oh, you you have to go buy it back.
Kim,
You have
you
to
not,
buy
you
it back.
cannot do that. You cannot do that. You
So
go,
when you come in here for now, let's say I fix something.
because me do not. Kim, see it there, your TV never good from money.
I have seen the TV never good from-
soft. If you barely touch it, say you sit watch there. I never spy, girl. I just make
I may take the tough ball clot, you know, you hear say me wicked.
So when you change out the ball for DJ, not to that.
You know what DJ can't tell the mother.
That's me Jeffrey back one next time when man come care me pay back little by little, but me can't pay back one time.
Me can't take out them young girl like you, you know. Me don't understand how you fit in here. Look which one the TV there. And I that's how you turn up. And when me hear the mash, me swear I your toe, me in there bust properly and I laugh. Or if you come in and come see the TV, you couldn't break your toe. You couldn't jump it on your mouth. You jump it on the people on TV, you better buy back, you know.
So we are being so strong for
Buy back
make
it.
mistake and accident.
Let me drop it where you phone, let me drop it back. Where remote?
We don't know where remote.
Give me the ball, let me drop the ball for me.
Watch out,
Right,
mash
give
up
me.
our
Move.
phone now.
Because I don't know what I'm taking me against some violence, you know.
DJ,
But
I don't even
so
have the TV for 3 months
you
yet.
can't see why she was jumping girl to the body.
I don't understand.
No,
No,
I
I
cannot-
go in a fair room, go broke for your
You want me
TV.
understand?
No, that's
Yes,
what I
you can see-
understand.
No, you can see that it is an
I still
accident.
have the paper on. I don't care if it was an accident. How come them careless accident that don't happen to me? What make a Shawna is supposed to happen to?
Because me clown
Because you're careless.
maybe, but I never spite her. Stop going so Kim. The TV can't fix.
I don't want a fixed television.
So Kim, look at them. Kim, talk realistic.
Me don't want reason or nothing.
No, but
Cham, she go like a spite, me do it fast.
It doesn't matter. The fact is, it don't matter if I spite. If you're an adult, you behave like big smarty. What the boss I do, that's what I want to.
Give me a phone, man.
No
One
man
thing.
Kim, but I
How much have you
am
phone for?
Exactly.
So then Shawna, hear that then. What kind of handicap is this little girl? She turn up that's why the boom ball and throw your mash. And the TV you fling after. You know bad man? You have TV? You have TV?
Kim,
You have
why?
TV? You have a big ass TV up in your yard, bigger than the better try come give me.
Switch it.
But I no spite. Why
Me no beat and no spite me want it for. Me want it cause you broke now you chop this and you tear down the one where you have.
Look what this is a jump.
A prank. Kim a prank. Go. Kim a prank. See time up on TV done. Come on, chop.
My girl are going so. Hey, you don't realize how my turn up before that TV can really can't work out between them.
True.
How can I eat that one? Watch the TV, I sleep for a minute. Chop, Kim! Come on, chop. Guys, if you enjoyed that video, guys, go over to DJ and Cham channel, guys. Hit the subscribe button, guys. Get them to 1,000 subscribers. I must wheel real quick, guys. So smash up them subscribe button and tell them say hashtag Team Shawna sending them. Go over to this is Kim and subscribe to because I know she probably hate me right now. But me did have to do it, guys. So me get tired, Kim. Just tell Kim.
Move.
Where you going so far, man? Come on, man.
Move.
Say hi. Are you want to start prank card? Me win.